Hi, I'm Yvonne Mbanefo. This is another one of my daily dose of Igbo words and phrases. Today's Igbo word is Unere. Unere means banana. Learn how to pronounce it by saying it after me. Unere. 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 You won't know how to say it unless you try. Now we're going to look at some examples of sentences that use unere. Jane zụtara unere. Jane zụtara unere. Jane zụtara unere. A kọrọ unere ebe a. A kọrọ unere ebe a. A kọrọ unere ebe a. Jane chọrọ ịta unere. Jane chọrọ ịta unere. Jane chọrọ ịta unere. I'm Yvonne Mbanefo, and this is another one of my daily dose of Igbo words and phrases.